In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Moomoo ID. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look and how to recognize your user ID so you can use it for login, support, referrals, and verification without any confusion. First, a quick overview. Your Moomoo ID is simply your user account number. Think of it as your identifier across the platform. It's different from an account number used for deposits or transfers, which is a separate set of details. Keeping this distinction in mind will help you avoid mix-ups when you're filling out forms or talking to support. Let's start on the desktop web version. Open Moomoo in your browser and head straight to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Hover your cursor over that profile icon and then select Account Info. This opens your account information panel. Look to the top left area of that panel, just under your profile name or display name. Right there, you'll see your Moomoo ID listed clearly. It's typically presented as a straightforward number. If you're double-checking for accuracy, read it carefully and, if possible, copy it exactly as shown to avoid typos when sharing it with support or adding it to referral fields. Now let's cover the Moomoo app on your computer. Open the Moomoo application and look toward the top left corner of the app window. You should see your profile icon there. Hover over the icon, then click it. Your Moomoo ID will appear, making it quick to reference whenever you need it. The placement and labeling are intentionally consistent so you can find it fast, whether you're exploring settings, updating your profile, or preparing for a support chat. A quick but important reminder, don't confuse your Moomoo ID with your account number. Your Moomoo ID is your login or user ID, and it's what you'll use for referrals and to verify your account in general interactions. Your account number, on the other hand, is used for transactions like deposits and transfers, and it's different. When you're completing tasks that mention banking or funding, look for the account number field. When you see a prompt for user ID or referral ID, that's where your Moomoo ID belongs. That's all you need to find your Moomoo ID quickly. Use the desktop web if you're in a browser, or the app on your computer if you prefer that environment, and you'll have your user ID in seconds. If this was helpful, save these steps so you can reference your ID anytime you need.